So tomorrow I'm going to the laundromat. We travel full-time in the RV, and we don't always have a chance to get to the laundromat every week, so it's probably been several weeks, probably about a month or so since we've been to the laundromat. And my spouse is blind, and she insists on wearing white. And of course, on her shirts, she generally gets stains. You can see this is one of her Saucony tank tops on the top of the pile here, and you can see there's a big stain right there from when she has dribbled something, who knows what, coffee or something like that, on the front of her tank top. So we're going to try this Miss Mouse Messy Eater stain treater that they sent to us so that we could try it out and show it to you. And it says a parental essential because a lot of people have kids that make a big mess on their clothes, but mine happens to be an adult, but she's blind, so she dribbles. So that's how it happens. So I just got the seal off of the top there and took the little cap off of the top because it came all sealed in shrink wrapped plastic and stuff. But I got that off of there, and now I'm going to spray that down there. That stain right there you can see on the shoulder of her Saucony tank top there. And there's probably some other stains there in the pile of white clothes there, but that one is a newer one. So we'll see how this does here after we go to the laundry. So how about that? We'll check it out and we'll see how it goes. So we're at the laundromat here, and you can see there's no stain up here anymore, so I would say it worked. Look at that. There's a little shadow there, but nothing left from the stain anyway, so good stuff.